Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rafiq, and today I am going to explain the appropriation statement of profit and loss. Actually, it is the subtopic of partnership business. In this business subtopic, we are going to study how the profit is appropriate among the partners. In appropriation account, we have to focus on two things. Number one is that we have to do read the agreement. What is the agreement, which I am going to explain you in minutes. And second thing is the format, the steps. What are the sequence of the steps? So here we go. Now, once you have got the profit, okay, and in this statement I have written the profit is $125,000. Now your agreement says if first you have to add the interest of drawings. Interest of drawings is always added in the profit. Why? Because it is actually a penalty on your partners when they withdraw the amount for drawings, so they have to give the interest back to the business. So in this business, Mr. A withdrew 20,000, and the agreement says that 5% interest he will be given to the business. So 5% of 20,000 is 1,000, and Mr. B withdrew 30,000, and again our agreement says that he will pay 5% on his drawings. So 30,000, 5% of 30,000 is 1,500. So altogether 1,000 and 1,500 is 2,500. It is added in 125,000 now, which is equivalent to 127,500. Now this amount actually will be distributed or appropriated among the partners. Now second step is now, as I said, this will be divided, this will be distributed. So the heading is says less what? Interest on capitals. Mr. A's capital was 300,000, and agreement says 10%. So 10% of 300,000 is 30,000. Mr. B had a capital of 400,000, and agreement says 10% interest on capital. So he will receive 40,000. 10% of 400,000 is 40,000. So 30 and 70 is altogether 70,000, and this will be given to these two partners. So that's why it is deducted from the net profit. And now 127,000 was the profit, out of 70 was given. So now we have got 57,500. Second agreement says the salary is given to only Mr. A. Mr. A will receive salary of 15,000. Perhaps he is very active in the business, he is doing a lot of things for the business, going, coming, meeting clients, suppliers, account receivables, etc. So he is doing a great job for business. So he will be given 15,000 per year as his salary. So 15,000 is again deducted from 57,500. Now 42,500 is your remaining profit. From here to here, this was your agreement. Now fourth point of agreement says the profit, share of profit, and share of profit says 1/3 will be given to Mr. A, 2/3 will be given to Mr. B. So your remaining profit is 42,500, which will be divided or distributed among these two partners, A and B. A will get 1/3 of 42,500, which is equal to 14,167. Mr. B again will be given 2/3 out of 42,500, and which is equal to 28,333. If you calculate, if you add these two amounts, it is equivalent to 42,500. 42,500 was your remaining profit, which is now divided according to point number 4. This is interest drawing is point number 1 agreement, point number 2 agreement, point number 3 is your salary, and remaining profit will be divided or distributed among the agreement. See, so this is how your appropriation statement of profit is prepared, and this is the subtopic, as I said in the beginning, this is the subtopic of your partnership business. Thank you very much. I hope this will be a little brief, precise idea of appropriation statement account. I hope you will feel quite comfortable after going through this format. Thank you.